first house, waters was easily up 7 foot. Couch, fence down, major debris, billiard balls outside. Look at that. That's the pool table right there.